Hi, this is Kel from Trade with the Boys. Now, we saw a 500-point sell-off again in the Dow Jones. So what will happen now? Well, all I can say is to look back at S&P 500, the death cross. Apparently, after the death cross since the 4th of December, the market, the S&P, have basically lost more than 168 points. This is quite bad for our market. So now we are basically beneath the very important technical level of 26.25, and it's going to look forward to go for 24.99. This is a number whereby we're looking at 155 more points downside. So if it happens at 24.99, a lot of players will look for a sell, but look carefully, there might be some support at around that area. So 24.99, please stay on standby. Now the Dow Jones is even more critical. Let's take a look. In fact, the Dow Jones has just created today a potential death cross. Yes, today. Now yesterday it had already created the movement, and now seemingly the market is following through the selling effect. So we have given you a very important number, 24.255, and what we've explained is that the next number will be 22.908. So if you take the number, okay, there's 24.255 and the 22.908, okay, you actually have a number in the between, okay, so what you look at it is a number in between, right? So the number, if you do that together, you take the number, the two numbers add together, you get 23,581, okay, and this is whereby the market bounces off perfectly yesterday. All right, it bounces off and recover. So I'm going to be upfront here. If the Dow Jones cannot stay above 23,581, there's a very good chance we could see it go and test 22,908 in the coming days or week. This is going to be very frightening for long traders, but this is something inevitable. Now, you can see that on the dollar yen side, there is some form of selling despite the potential Federal coming in to hike rate. I believe that this move on the downside itself is speculative, and the market is trying to play a fast one on the retailers and the traders market. So I'm going to expect the dollar yen go sideways a little bit more, but once the dollar yen resume its strength, and if you can break above 112.836, there should be a strong upside again on the dollar yen. So if I have a wish list, what do I expect to see? So likely chance US Federal Reserve will hike rate on Wednesday. It will basically send the market down to 22,908 for the Dow Jones, and then after that there could be a strong rebound from there, which basically gives the dollar and the Dow Jones some reprieve to recover on support grounds. Alright, so this is something that I forecast for the coming week, and let's say it happens, congratulations then. Sure, it doesn't happen, well, manage your risk carefully. This is Cal signing off.